Hello friends, welcome back to Exams Made Easy. I hope you all are doing well. Through this video, we'll be discussing a recruitment notification that has been published by MSME Tools Room. MSME Tools Room is going to recruit engineers in various engineering disciplines like electrical, electronics and communication, mechanical engineering. A lot more engineering disciplines are there. To get each and every information regarding this recruitment notification, please watch the whole video till the end, and if you have any question, please let us know by commenting below in the comment box. So friends, let's start the analysis. So this is the first post friends, as you can see here, and only one vacancy is there, and that is for senior engineer, unreserved, and degree in electrical, electronics, mechanical, production, manufacturing or equivalent from a recognized university is required, and experience is also required. 3 years experience. Use of CAD, CAM, CAE software is preferable, and desirable qualification is post graduation. So for this post friends, maximum age limitation is 35 years and pay scale from 9,300 till 34,800. So next post is engineer in production, and that is the place of posting will be in Hyderabad for this post, and for the previous post the place of posting was in Chennai. Education and qualification is degree in engineering, electrical, electronics, mechanical, production, manufacturing, and preferably CAD or CAM experience, and if you have done your post graduation then you will be preferred. And friends, age limitation and pay scale is same as the previous post. Now engineer in design discipline, number of vacancies 3, and place of postings will be 2 for Hyderabad and 1 for Vijayawada. Educational qualification is mechanical engineering, production engineering, manufacturing engineering, degree or equivalent. Practical experience in design of modules, dies, press tools using CAD or CAE will be preferred. Desirable qualification is post graduation in CAD, CAM, CAE or tool engineering. Maximum age limitation is 30 years and pay scale is same as the previous post. The next post is engineer training, and place of posting is Hyderabad. Number of vacancies only 1. Educational qualification is same. Preferable experience is practical experience in operating machine tool production including CNC machine. Desirable qualification is post graduation, like as you can see here. Age limitation and pay scale is same. Now marketing engineer, place of posting will be in Hyderabad. Number of vacancies only 1. Educational qualification is same. Preferable experience is experience in technical training, consultancy, marketing, product development. Desirable qualification is postgraduate or postgraduate diploma in tool design production. No other experience in this regard is required. Age limitation and pay scale is same as you can see here. Last one is PS to principal director. Number of vacancies 1. Place of posting will be in Hyderabad. Degree from recognized university or institution. No specialized degrees required for this post. Should have English shorthand speed of 120 words per minute and typing speed of 50 words per minute. Knowledge of computer application is also required, and for this post 5 years post qualification experience is also required. Practical experience in word processing, and desirable qualification is diploma in personal security, diploma in computer, etc. Proficiency in English and Hindi or local language is also required. That is also a desirable qualification, and pay scale and maximum age limitation is also same. So friends, I would like to let you all know that if you belong to SC ST, then you will get relaxation of 5 years, and for OBC relaxation of 3 years is permissible as per government norms. So friends, procedure of application, this is the website as you can see here, by following which you can apply online. Link of this website is available in the description box of this video itself, and you have to apply on or before 28th of September 2020. So friends, after applying online, you have no need to send your hard copy or printout copy to any particular address. You have to keep that hard copy for further correspondence. So friends, thanks for watching as always. If you have any queries, please let us know by commenting below in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Thank you.